Hello guys, how are you guys? I hope you are fine guys. Today I will discuss with you data analysis. What is data analysis? Data analysis in research. What is data analysis in research? Let's start guys. We know data analysis is the most critical part of any research. Data analysis summarized collected data. It involves the interpretation of data gathered through the use of analytical and logical reasoning to determine pattern, relationships or trends. Data analysis is used to make purposeful discoveries, suggest conclusion, support decision making, and support or debug previous studies. For example, a researcher wants to understand the relationship between classrooms that use hands-on activity in mathematics. Data analysis is the process that systematically applies statistical and or logically technology to describe and illustrate, condense and recap and evaluate data. Data analysis is a method in which data is collected and organized so that one can derive helpful information from it. In other words, the main purpose of data analysis is to look at what the data is trying to tell us. Four types of data analysis. Four main types of data analysis. Predictive data analysis. Predictive analysis may be the most commonly used category of data analysis. Prescriptive data analysis. Data diagnostic data analysis. Descriptive data analysis. The two primary methods for data analysis are qualitative data analysis techniques and quantitative data analysis techniques. The data analysis technique can be used independently or in combination with the other to help business leaders and decision makers acquire business insights for different data types. It's 5-step framework to analyze data. The 5 steps are: identify business questions, collect and store data, clean and prepare data, analyze data, and visualize and communicate data. Data analysis is the science of analyzing raw data to make conclusion about that information. Data analytics help a business optimize its performance, perform more efficient, maximize profit, or make more strategic guided decision. Data analysis tools help companies draw insights from customer data and uncover trends and patterns to make better business decisions. There are a wide number of online data analysis tools you can make up use of, whether you want to perform base or more advanced data analysis. Data analysis means a process of cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information for business decision making. Types of data analysis are textured, statistically, diagnostic, or predictive preserving analysis. Data analysis is the process of collecting, transforming, cleaning, and modeling data with the goal of discovering the required information. The results so obtained are communicated, suggestions, conclusions, and supporting data decision making. This is the data analysis and its steps, and they are the topic of data analysis. I hope viewers you like this video and very helpful for you. Thank you so much for watch this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, guys.